Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the controller safe to work on. Power off, remove batteries, and unplug USB so you won't short anything. Once done, perform a soft reset by holding the sync and menu buttons for 10 seconds to rule out firmware glitches. While that runs, have your tools ready: a T6 or T8 screw, plastic pry, tweezers, and 70% plus isopropyl for cleaning. That combination addresses the most common electrical and contact issues before you open the shell. Now you'll open it. Remove the visible screws and the hidden screw under the label, then use a plastic pry to separate the halves carefully so clips don't break. You must inspect the home button assembly: the rubber dome, metal spring or plunger, contact pad, and ribbon cable for wear, debris, or corrosion. Clean the contact surfaces with isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Realign the spring or replace a torn membrane if needed, because physical misalignment causes most non-responses. Reassemble by reseating the ribbon cable and aligning both shells, then tighten screws evenly but not overly tight so you don't warp the plastic. Before snapping everything closed, reconnect power and test the home button to confirm function. If it works, finish assembly and update firmware using the Xbox Accessories app to clear software quirks. If the button still fails, consider swapping the small PCB tactile switch or installing a replacement faceplate. This hardware swap is the final fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.